This is Annamarie, one of your Westerville Library youth librarians, so excited to share a hilarious book with all of you. This is Jake the Fake Keeps It Real by Craig Robinson and Adam Mansbach. Just like his older sister before him, Jake is about to start his first year at the Music and Art Academy. Jake got accepted for his piano playing skills. Though, unlike his sister, Jake can only play one song on the piano, the song he auditioned with. Jake is terrified that the teachers and his new friends might discover that he is far from a music prodigy. In fact, Jake has been faking his way through each and every day at his new school. His classmates might be a little odd, but the school's focus on the arts and finding your passion is so much more fun than Jake's old school. However, the end of semester assembly is rapidly approaching, where every student has to perform in front of the whole school and all their parents, showcasing the progress they've made on their special talent. Jake has been faking his way through class by acting like a class clown. But can he fake his way through the biggest performance of his life? Read about Jake's hilarious shenanigans in Jake the Fake Keeps It Real by Craig Robinson and Adam Mansbach as a physical book, ebook, or amazing audiobook with your Westerville Library card.